Hi folks, it's Barry from the HVAC Repair Center, and we're doing the final test on a unit sent in by Ben Fogg. This is the final test before shipment, just to confirm that everything is operating properly when it left the shop. So we're going to turn on the radio here.
As we once again turn our hearts toward home.
Okay, we're going to bring in the meters so you can see what's going on with all the channels here. Okay. Meters are not calibrated, so don't expect equal output on all four sides. They're just to indicate that there is output on all four sides. Okay. Going back to the unit, we got a nice, strong, consistent stereo light. Okay. Pop in tape. Okay, front only, or yeah, front speakers only, rear speakers only, and that is live. That's why there's all that noise during the solo. Change tracks. Okay, got all four speakers going again. Change tracks. Okay, what do you say we bring the radio back?
Really do need it. I'm Greg Yoder with Mission Network News.
Okay, that's
Like kids
FM, AM.
From your local contractors, what's new in the construction industry and how to protect yourself and your home.
That's the 1 AM station we get in Prescott Valley, Arizona. That concludes the testing. Another quality restoration by the HVAC Repair Center.
And Sunday on the Talk of the Quad Cities.